Go! Wait till the timer goes. What's that? The timer. It's an email.
So each individual, right?
Yeah.
Guys, TikTok, yes.
Don't worry,
I'm
I'm only going to say this once. You guys are fucking idiots. Yeah. Legendary line.
Can we go?
I thought we got rid of Gazi.
Ah, oh no.
I miss that guy.
Yeah.
Where is he?
I miss him and his crazy ass questions.
No. The way he sits down in the middle of a workout. That's what I meant.
2, 1, go!
Now we wait.
Now you wait. Now we wait.
How many seconds? How many minutes?
Okay, that's not
It reminds me of an ad in New Zealand. Right, he's at a party. And he's doing these dance moves.
I don't know.
Now we wait. It's 1 round done. 9 rounds to go.
It's not bad.
That's not bad now.
Yeah,
it a
it's gonna
time
get
lapse?
This
harder.
is the 5th round.
You're doing a time lapse?
No, I'm not doing a time lapse. I'm recording you guys doing this WOD.
Check. Yeah, you have to do it too. Who did you? He's coming to hang out.
The captain.
Yeah.
Okay, so go chalk if you want chalk. Go!
From the ground.
No. Do not count the first one from the ground. You got to deadlift it first.
Yeah, here and you pause, right?
You didn't know that?
So you have one more round to go.
The clue is in the first word.
Do it again. I did it
Ellie, you don't want to
again.
get...
No.
Can you run it a bit further?
I have a...
Let me get
You know we're trying to chase you down. Behind the line, please. Behind the imaginary line. Yalla.
Yeah?
Back. Go. Oh, Betty Boo's just saying ahead. I like it. Betty Boo's like looking back going,
You're not kidding me. I'm not.
here we go. Good work, everyone. 2 rounds down.
That's heavy.
Oh shit.
8 rounds to go. No, it needs to be a bit heavy just to get the stimulus that we want. Okay?
Yeah. It
It
is.
needs to be a little bit heavy. That's why you've got a long rest. Like 3 reps takes you like 10 seconds, right? You got 50 seconds rest. And then the sprint takes about 15, 12, 15 seconds.
Shut up. We don't talk about sprints
12
here.
to 25 seconds at the end.
Shut up.
Not you, me.
Oh,
You did it. That doesn't count.
Stay working on those sprints. You're going to get it. You're going to get tired. Awesome, everyone. Oh, nice Instagram photo. Khaled, look at these elbows, bro. Why are they down like that?
Huh?
Why are they down like that? Oh no! There's a jump, baby boo. Work. Guys.
I wasn't even fucking trying.
Guys, put all your effort in right to the end, okay? You don't have to be going, you don't have to go as fast as you can, but go fast right till you get to the line, okay?
Yeah, just running right to
Yeah. On the way there, because you've got to turn around, you have to slow quite early. But once you turn around and put the foot down, then try and hold the pace all the way to this line, okay? Not just slow down once you're halfway, okay? So try and hold a good, steady pace. You don't have to go 100% flat out all the way. So hold a really good, fast 95% effort. I don't want anyone pulling their hamstring like I did.
Okay.
Okay? You guys are doing great. 3 down.
Especially me, right?
7 to go. I'll see how well you're doing. 3 down.
Ah, no!
Beautiful. Stand it up. More. Good.
Spicy hamburger. Did you bring my medicine? Yes.
Did you get me drugs too?
They have bring us some water if you be kind.
Don't. Don't! So we can beat them.
ما عندنا ماي ما عندنا مقطوعين.
Hey guys, you guys are quickly in front of the line. Oh, good. You got a hit start. Take your left, baby boo. Go, girl. Go, girl. You got her. Yes. Go. Oh. Good effort. Good effort. Awesome, guys.
That last
Good work.
that I beat you.
You know how to do snatch up like we do?
That's how it's
You know where you down, Honey Boo?
Then you go. But it's just story. When it's done, just it's like not sure it's story. Look at story, right? Oh, just keep telling me.
like dying of a bit. Just a little bit. Is that the sound?
Nice.
I got you. This should be on a record.
Shut up.
Got all of you.
Back behind the line so you're not cheating on the sprint, all right?
All right.
And just move your bar back. All right, you guys. Yes. This is the end of round 5. Halfway.
Halfway. Halfway of 10.
Halfway.
Okay, so you.
Shut up.
What is that? Okay.
Hey.
Go. Oh, baby boo, you're going to have to work hard. Oh, Carla's going to go all the way to the line. Nice, you boys. I don't know who's swinging at it. You guys are so close every time. Carla's not going to the line so he can turn around faster. Yeah. You got to watch these policemen, man. I don't trust them. I don't trust these Kuwaiti policemen. I love it. You guys, this is awesome because you guys are actually trying to trick each other. I don't think I've ever seen you guys all try so hard. This is amazing. Let's do this more often.
Ow.
If I didn't have lunch a bit late, I think I would have like kicked your ass.
Go.
Well, I worked out twice as much.
Yeah.